Hi everyone, this is Michelle Medina Season and this is Glam and Fab Queen TV. So nice to be back now. It is now June and time has flown so fast. It's been about 90 days or so since the lockdown, and I'm so grateful that we're back here. And yes, you have seen my videos during the lockdown, but we're back because right now I'm back to using my Canon camera. In the last few videos since April, I was using Huawei P30, and now I was able to focus more, no? Later on when you go to the tutorial, you're gonna see that I can focus more on the eye makeup and on the cheek makeup tutorial kasi meron siyang zoom. Okay? Okay, now I wanted to tell you about the Nars Afterglow Eye Palette. Okay? This is the Afterglow Eye Palette, and this is the Overlust Cheek Palette. Well, when I saw this one, I thought that, you know, it's just very similar to Hype, no? So pareho lang, just the same. And I've been looking or seeing this online, and I said it's very similar to Hype. Let me show you the Hype cheek palette I had or I bought last December here. It's very similar to me before because there is also this magenta color. So if you put it together, it looks really very similar. You will think it's the same because we have the magenta colors, but the Afterglow, you have the magenta color, but that one is more shimmery. Well, this one is really just matte, so it's not the same. And the Afterglow, they have this goldy orange shimmer shadows or eyeshadows. The Hype doesn't have it, so it's not the same, hindi siya pareho. And this is also different. So as you can see, I'm wearing it right now, and it is really beautiful. Okay, it's really beautiful. So I wanted to show you what I got. I got this from Stance here in Manila, but it's been launched in America since January, and since we had the quarantine lockdown, we kind of got delayed. And finally last Saturday I went to buy it. I went to the department store and I was able to get them. Okay, and you know what I like about Nars is that they're very generous. Let me show you what I got. Oh, it's here. Okay, let me show you what Nars gave me. I know it's still here. Okay. Okay. So what did they buy first? And they gave me a lot of freebies. First, of course, I got this too. And I bought concealer, the multi-awarded concealer. And I got this new lipstick or lip tint. They call it oil-infused lip tint. This is the one. So here are the freebies. This is the bag. Okay. These are the freebies. The girl there, she's very nice. I think her name is Cerise. She gave me 2 mini orgasms, which I love so much. I already have this from the last free pack that they gave me when they got when they bought 10,000 worth of makeup or $200. I already have this. But she gave me 2 again because they have a promo here. Okay, I was also given Power Matte Lip Pigment Star Woman. I have 3 of this, but I got Star Woman because I don't have it yet. Oh, yes, this one. And I already have the American Woman, but she still gave me one. See? The bean is so cute for your bag. So cute, diba? Cute, really. The Star Woman, one of their iconic lipstick liquid. And the American Woman, I got this one in London in Harrods. Really very pretty. And she also gave me this satin lip pencil. Oh, lip pencil, okay. This one. Oh, wow. This is in Picogen. It looks very neutral. All of this, they've always been very generous, and thank you Nars. And aside from the fact that we have good products, I love the way you are with your clients. Okay, they're all very good when you travel. Yes, we're traveling soon. Just be patient. We will soon. Okay. So let me tell you about the Overlust Cheek Palette. First of all, the packaging is really very nice. Maganda siya. And see, it's made of this metallic thing. Okay. It's pink metallic, but it's plastic. And of course, you have the normal clasp here. Okay, there. It has the mirror, of course. There, it has a mirror. And these are the palettes. You know, when I first look at this, sabi ko nun, I said, oh, it's so beige. See, I thought it was too beige in the pictures. And for me, I don't like to wear something that's too beige, because since I have a yellow skin tone, if I put a beige lipstick, I disappear. Okay, I look pale. I look really not. I just don't look good. Okay, I look pale. So I said I don't think I can wear this. But look at now, it's not. Okay, inside we have 3 highlighters and we have 3 blushers, which are matte. Okay, and also the good thing about this is that it suits some skin type. Yes, it's kind of light in color when you put it. It's very good for those who have pale skin. If you have olive skin or if you have dark skin, it might not come out that much, but it's still very good. You know, Nars is very good with their palettes. It's a cult favorite for them, and I want to show you my favorite Nars. I have this in my tutorial, which I did about 11 months ago, and this is what you call the exposed cheek palette. Super, I love this. You know, super. And look at the pop of colors here. You can find again in my videos about the tutorial for this one. And that's why I thought this one is so pale, the Overlust, because the summer collection last year is just so bright. See? But there are different uses. If you want the pop of color, use an exposed cheek palette. But if you want something subdued to match this kind of eye makeup, I think that you can use this. Alright, and yes, the packaging is the clasp type. For my cheek exposed, I kinda lose it. See, it's opening up. Do not put it this way, because it has a tendency of opening like this, which happened to my exposed cheek palette. You can still get this, and I'll put the link below. It's available in nars.com in the US. If you are from the US, you can still get this. It's really wonderful palette. And my favorite here is the highlighter. This one, it just matches, or it blends into your skin beautifully. Okay, so going back to Overlust, you have the 3 highlighters, and then you have the blushers, which are all matte. And it has different colors, okay? This one is more of the mauve warm pink. This one is more of the beigey light peach, and this one is more of the dark, but not really dark, darker, kind of I think bronzy. Okay, so what I used earlier is two, and I use this one as my highlighter. So if you're gonna swatch it, let's see if you can. Okay, with the clean fingers, they are just not the same. See? Cool. There. Let's do it again this way. The way I see it from my mirror is that yes, this is the lightest color, which is called Let It Tie Up. Okay, and this one is the Deep Down, and this one is the Drift. They may look similar on this kind of lighting, but they're not. Okay, I would say that the Drip Down, this one is more of the shimmery skin tone. This has the golden stuff, and this is pinky. Alright, so it's not the same. Depends of what kind of look you want, but I believe you can use all of them, and you can also use it on your eyes. Okay, and it's very good for light to medium skin tone. Well, I believe that it's gonna suit the light to medium skin tone. This one you can use for pop of color. See, I use it for mine here. If you want to use a lighter colored cheek color, this is very ideal. Okay, blushers. Start with this one. It's kind of pinky. See? There, it's nice. This is more of the pinky color. This is more of the light peachy tone. This is more of the darker packaging. It's orange and metallic look, but it's plastic. And of course it has 12 shades. And the 12 shades, you have the 4 mattes, okay, here. And you also have 4 satins. And you also have the 4 shimmers or metallic. And I believe that this one is really very balanced because you have the lights, the medium, the dark shades here. And what really got me to buy this is this one. I so love this. It's the one on my eyes. I don't know, but I am just so in love with this kind of shade. It's kind of bronzy orange. I love it so much. Okay, and you can create different looks here. You can create all pink color, the bronzy, all pastel or smoky. You can create day look up to night look here, or nighttime look, and it is really very, very versatile. Okay, all right. And what I used for this one, which you will see later in the tutorial, is I used this color, which is called the First Taste. And then for the transition color, this one. And for the eyelids, I used this and this one because I so love it. And for the contour, I use this one and a bit of this one. Alright, okay. So you can see it's really very beautiful. It's something really worth having, and it's not the same as high palette. Okay. And I think that I'm gonna use this for some time. And for me, having palettes, why do I love palettes? Because they really, you know, makeup is something that makes you happy. It's something that would, you know, make up your day. Even if you're in quarantine, I believe that it really makes you happy and gives you this positive attitude in life. So it's worth having. So I want to show you this oil lip tint, oil infused, they say. Let's try it. It's my first time to use it. Oh, it's very light. Yeah, it's oil infused. And it's very good to use on your lips. Okay? For my lips, I use a combination of Dolce Vita, Orgasm, and Raw Seduction, which I got last December. The 4 mini lipsticks of Nars. Okay? So this is it. Let's go on and move on to the tutorial. And it's really fun to do this. Really fun. And I also wanted to add that the texture of this one is really highly blendable. It's fun to use and easy to use. You're gonna finish your makeup in no time. And for the Overlust Chic palette, this is a gel to powdery texture. It's very similar to the Exposed Chic palette, and I love it because it's easy to blend. See? It's really nice. Okay, we'll see you in the tutorial.